Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing the best food storage containers with glass airtight lids. The Rubbermaid Brilliance glass food storage containers, 3.2 cup, set of 4. These are not your average kitchen containers. They're a premium solution for anyone looking to organize their kitchen, store food safely, and even cook with confidence. Let's dive right in. At first glance, the design of the Rubbermaid Brilliance glass containers is stunning. They look sleek, crystal clear, and are designed to stack perfectly in your fridge or cabinet. Each container in this set has a 3.2 cup capacity and comes with its own lid, giving you a total of 8 pieces. But what makes them stand out? First and foremost, the lids are 100% airtight and leak-proof. That means you can carry soups, stews, or even sauces in your bag without a second thought. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or packing lunch for work, these containers give you peace of mind. The lids are not just leak-proof, they're also intelligently designed for microwave use. You don't even need to remove the lids completely when reheating. Just pop the latches open, and the built-in vents make microwaving splatter-free. That's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in everyday use. The base of each container is made from durable glass, which is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, you can go from freezer to oven to table. You can even use these containers as serveware straight from the oven, which is a nice bonus when you want to cut down on dishes. Now let's talk about safety and convenience. All materials are BPA-free, so you don't have to worry about chemicals leaching into your food. The containers are also dishwasher safe. Just toss them in the top rack if you're cleaning the lids, and they're freezer safe as well. It's an all-in-one solution for any kitchen scenario. Another smart feature is Rubbermaid's universal lid system. The lids in this Brilliance line are interchangeable across containers of different materials and sizes. That's a game changer if you're someone who likes to keep things modular and organized. If you're a meal prepper, someone who packs lunch every day, a parent looking to store baby food safely, or just tired of your mismatched plastic container drawer, this set is for you. It's a product that genuinely enhances your kitchen workflow. In terms of value, while the price is a bit higher than basic plastic containers, you're paying for high-quality materials, better design, and long-term durability. These containers are built to last and to be used daily without the typical wear and tear you'd expect from lower-quality options. To sum it all up, the Rubbermaid Brilliance glass food storage containers bring together elegant design, practical features, and multifunctional use. They help you cook smarter, eat healthier, and stay organized, all while saving time and reducing waste. From the airtight lids to the oven-safe glass, this set has everything you'd expect from the best in class. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews just like this. See you next time.